Hi, fourth graders. I'm going to be going over week 7 science. So I'm just going to go through each folder and quickly explain what you will have to do on each day. On Monday, you're going to be reading pages 479 to 483 in your science textbook, and you're going to complete the discussion board, What are your traits? Now in this section, you're going to be reading about different inherited traits that you may have gotten from your parents. So we want you in this discussion board to think about similar traits that you have inherited from your parents and determine which parent you got that trait from. Make sure you determine 3 to 5 different traits in your response. So that is what you were doing on Monday. On Tuesday, you will be reading pages. Graders, I'm going to be going over week 7 science plans. So Monday, you are going to be reading pages 479 to 483 in your science textbook. These pages, you're going to be reading about how traits are inherited from your parents. So your discussion board is going to be to think about similar traits you have inherited from your parents and determine which parent you got that trait from. And make sure you determine 3 to 5 different traits in your response. On Tuesday, you are going to be reading pages 484 to 485 in your science textbook, and then you're going to watch the nature versus nurture video, and then you're going to complete the discussion board. And that discussion board is going to be you naming 2 traits that could be caused by the environment. Make sure you use your book and information from the video to help you complete that discussion board. Wednesday, you will be reading pages 486 to 48 in your science textbook, and you're going to complete the learned versus instinct activity. And for that activity, you are going to, I'm going to preview it. You are going to determine if each question, if that behavior is learned or if it's an instinct. So for example, a parrot saying hello, is that learned or is that an instinct for them? And that is what you were doing on Wednesday. Thursday, you will be watching the lesson 4 video review to learn what you learned about heredity, instincts, and learned behaviors. And then you're going to complete the brain check on lesson 4 and submit that. Friday is just going to be a catch-up day, so use that day to catch up on any work you may have not finished throughout the week. And that is all you have to do for week 7. Have a good week, guys.